Hi everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because today is our daughter's 13th birthday and we are having a beautiful pink and gold themed party for her. And I wanted to bring you guys along and show you all of the details. So as you can see behind me, this used to be my coffee bar. You guys know I love to redesign and decorate that for the different seasons and holidays, but today it has become a backdrop and a dessert bar for her cake and for a bunch of desserts that her guests can enjoy. We also have a really beautiful seating area and photo booths type station, and I want to thank eFavorMart for sponsoring this video, and thanks to them we were able to do a beautiful kind of elegant theme. And it may seem a little bit extravagant to only become a teenager once, so she really wanted something beautiful and pretty. So I definitely think we have achieved that here today, and I'm going to bring you guys on a tour of all of the supplies and decor that we've used to create this theme. I will also link down in the description box below a coupon for 10% off of eFavorMart's website, and they have so many different options for party decor, from weddings, if you have a graduation party coming up this summer, or a family barbecue even, or bridal shower. They have so many different options and themes, so make sure you head down to the description box below, click that link, and it will save you 10% off. I've also done lots of fun different party themes in the past, and I will link down in the description box below a playlist where you can go and kind of see some of the other fun birthday parties that we've thrown in the past. Now let's go ahead and I'll give you a tour of all of the beautiful decor for her 13th birthday party. First, I'd like to share with you the dessert bar and cake table area. A lot of the decor is from eFavorMart, but I did do some DIYs for this decor. And these 40-inch giant number balloons, we just used an air compressor to fill up and then tape them to the wall, and that seemed to work just fine. I also made this wreath that centers the cake table. It's actually just a hula hoop that I spray painted gold and then added some floral and greenery to. And you'll see the floral sort of throughout the decor, and that's what really pulls this whole look together. You'll see them on the sides of the cake table and the tall metal vases, the same greenery and flowers, so it all really is a beautiful look and kind of all ties together. We had lots of yummy desserts to complement the birthday cake, and the cake sat on this gorgeous cake stand. It's actually made of metal and it has these pretty crystals on it, and it really helped showcase the birthday cake. But alongside that we had some strawberries, some mini cupcakes, and some chocolate candies, and they're all sitting on some plastic dishes that were from eFavorMart. The trays are Dollar Tree trays that I spray painted gold, so you'll see that throughout this I did do some projects, just simple ones like spray painting the trays and the hula hoops, and soon you'll see the centerpiece too. That was a big DIY, but all of the cute clear accents for the desserts are all from eFavorMart as well. Now moving on to the seating area, or the centerpiece of the room, and we really got extra fancy with this. It was really a lot of fun to add all of this pink and gold, and the centerpiece is really what ties everything together. It's another hula hoop that I painted gold and hung luminaries from, with some little tea lights in them, and the hula hoop is attached to a piece of wood with some styrofoam on the sides, and then I just built it up with some floral and some greenery,
So we really liked this because you could still talk to the people that were sitting across from you, and it didn't obstruct your view at all, but it was still a really dramatic, beautiful centerpiece for the table. I really love the way our place settings came together, and I love this layered look with the pink charger and the white and gold plates and the gold cutlery that was off to the side. And the great thing about all of this is it was plastic, so you could potentially wash it and keep it, but it was just as easy to toss it when we were done with it. We also have a pink polyester napkin that matched the tablecloth that was on the cake table. And we also had some cute little glasses that I added a paper straw to. And these all have sort of the same rose gold look that ties the look of the party together. These pretty chair sashes I just tied into bows around the chairs, and they were really inexpensive actually, and it was sort of nice to see such a simple touch change the look of the whole space. It really gave it that extra upscale and girly feel. I definitely think Alyssa, the birthday girl, approved. She had a lot of input on all of the decor, and we sat down several nights looking to choose just the perfect accessories for her party. Now moving over to our food area in the kitchen. And Alyssa had all the choices here too. She wanted these ham and cheese Hawaiian roll sandwiches, which were delicious. We also had a tossed salad, macaroni salad, strawberry shortcake, which are in these eFavorMart cone displays. I think those are so cute. It's a fun way to serve desserts like this. And she also had some punch, which we also made pink to match the party. And then last, in our living room, we sort of had a multifunctional space here. We had this fun curtain which sort of acted as a backdrop for photos, and the table was for gifts and also favors for her guests. And the favors are all in boxes from eFavorMart with some pretty ribbon on them, and also they are displayed on gold trays, again, that I spray painted. And it also has a pink tablecloth and chiffon table runner from eFavorMart. And the backdrop here is just so pretty and fun. I think it's probably my most favorite part of the whole party.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Alyssa! Party pets! Happy birthday to you! Cha-cha-cha-cha! Thank you all so much for joining me for today's tutorial. I hope that you found some inspiration here for maybe one of your upcoming parties. And thank you again to eFavorMart. Don't forget to check that link that I have in the description box below where you'll save 10% off their online store. Please take a second to give this video a thumbs up for me. You can also hit that subscribe button so you can stick around and join me every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for new DIYs, tutorials, and new inspiration. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.